Ocean Point, East Boothbay, Maine. One of our favorite spots. If we were ever up in this area, we always have to come here. Absolute must. Hey guys, Jay here. How y'all doing? Hope you're having a great day. It's Wednesday. We're here over in East Boothbay, over by what we call Ocean Point. Absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous views out here. Absolutely love it here. We were out here in July, and now we're back on our way back from Samoset. My wife taught yesterday, so we decided we'd make a day trip and come over to East Boothbay and just check things out. Just beautiful here. So I've got the flies here are just painful. Ugh, just everywhere. Hey guys, got a half a box here. I got the other half in the car, and got a half box of Bowman Chrome 2017. Let's go take a look and see what we got. Don't have anything to open it? I guess I do.
Great.
What?
Nothing to open it with. Men. Oh yeah, my car keys.
No, this is actually my post office box key.
Oh.
Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs.
Holy cow.
Man, these flies are killing me. Alrighty, let's see if we can focus in on that. Can you focus?
I can't tell. But I just hit it. I mean, I think it's, isn't it on automatic?
Yeah. Got Jacob Nix, Yarrow Munoz, Yoan Moncado in the Arizona Fall League, Boston Red Sox. Of course, now he's a Chicago White Sox. Ryan Schimpf. And another Yoan Moncada rookie card in his Chicago White Sox outfit.
Cool. You must like that, huh?
Oh yeah. Pack number 2.
How come they have a B in front of them? Is it Boston?
It stands for Bowman Chrome.
What does that B on your hat stand for?
That stands for Boston.
Then why does that have a different stand
B
for?
stands for different things. This is Bowman Chrome product.
All right.
Austin Hayes, Chris Paddock, purple, DJ Peters of the Dodgers, numbered 2. I thought this would have been numbered, but I guess not. Pretty color, a little shine.
Pretty, I like those purples. My kind of colors.
Sonny Gray for the A's.
I like his position.
Thought he got traded to the Yankees. And Manny Margot rookie card. Manny's a pretty good ball player. 3rd pack.
Thank God you're only doing half a box.
Yeah, the flies are killing me. Reggie Lawson. Jorge Ona. Robinson Cano. Robert Gesselman rookie card. And Brian Dozier. So I think we got Yankees and Indians tonight, and probably Nationals and Cubs. There was a postponement yesterday. Alrighty, we got Jamison Fisher, DJ Peters, autograph of Thomas Nido of the Mets, Corey Seager, and Miguel Cabrera.
I really thought all those little bees meant Boston.
The product is Boston Bowman Chrome. One more pack after this. Gorgeous, gorgeous day here. About 64 degrees.
The tide is coming in, I think.
Yeah, it was going out this morning. Derek Fisher, Houston Astros. Boy, they did whip out on the Red Sox. Josh Boers.
What did he do to the Red Sox?
Houston, they killed us.
Oh.
Dustin Fowler. Rookie card of Jarrell Cotton. And rookie card of Jordan Montgomery.
That's a Yankee thing, right?
Now, that's a Yankee. The dreaded Yankees, the evil empire.
Oh, a seal.
Where?
Just went down. Oh, anyways, go ahead and open your pack before these guys make mincemeat out of me.
Last pack.
It was a good size seal. Maybe it was something else.
Luis Alexander Asabe. Jazz Chisholm. Adonis Medina. And for the Red Sox, David Ortiz. And nice way to finish off with a Mike Trout. Guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. I've hit 500 subs, so look for a 500 sub giveaway shortly. And
Straight up there.
we'll talk to you later. Take care, guys.
Do you
Bye-bye.
see him bobbing his head, his shiny head?
No.
No?
No.
Okay.
All right, guys. Take care.
Bye, guys.